episode 17. Here we go. Got windows open this time. So we've gone from like the kerosene heater running last week and plagues of locusts and all that crap to our windows are open, the sun is shining, we're having a great time doing a bunch of stuff inside the bus. If you look right there, you'll see that there's another hole in the side of the bus that we'll patched up. And little previews of things maybe to come there underneath the windows. But anyway, let's go inside and I'll show you around. Making progress, starting some painting back in the back. Our intrepid Allison, the Mrs.Skoolie lady, is working on getting that done. The next project is also going to be building our compost toilet. One of the big important things when you're building your own is venting. So as you see, we have another hole in the bus. What we've decided to use for our vent is this 12-volt fan. It's an 80 millimeter fan, so 8 centimeters wide. Has a really nice constant airflow, and that will go in the wall to exhaust any odors and keep it dry inside there. So that's that part. What we've elected to use on the outside is this 4-inch air diffuser. It's low profile and has an adjustable opening. So it comes in 3 parts. This part is what actually goes through the wall. I've actually put more screw holes on the outside so I can get a good even coat or even seal on the outside. Then once that's done, this piece here actually slips in just like that. The nice thing is when we put that on there, we can put insect screen over top of this as we stick it in there to keep insects out. It also is adjustable, where we can pull that in and out. We can adjust that inward if we're going to get a whole bunch of rain, etc. Or while we're driving. Actually, while we're driving, we're hoping that the airflow across the front of this is going to create a positive airflow or negative airflow out of the compost toilet. So anyway, there's that part. So we have drilled a hole. I've marked the holes on the outside, the screw holes where we're going to put the screws through. I'm going to upcycle bus screws on that. So going to get going on that part. So there's our big hole in the bus. As you see, there's marks all the way around it where I'm going to drill. And we'll kind of go from there. Notice that there will be metal shavings flying, and I've got eye protection on. So here we go. So I already put 1 screw in. I drilled that in to kind of hold it in together. And now I will drill the rest of them. All right, 6 more like that and we'll be good to go. And there we go. So, upcycling bus screws. I have a bucket full of them, so we're using them wherever we possibly can. There we go. Butyl tape around the inside, and demonstrating the proper way to use a nail gun or a screw gun. Ready? Yep. What we'll end up doing is taking an X-Acto knife and cutting the rest of that butyl tape off on the outside now that it's pushed out, which is making a great seal. This piece has these little metal tangs that go inside here to hold. Then what we do is we will adjust this piece and tighten it down so we have an air hole or a way for air to get out. Tighten it down so it doesn't loosen up. And eventually we'll put some bug screen right on there just like that, and in we go. We now have a vent to the outside of the bus. Hey, guess what? Guess what? Guess what the Harmony Express.Skoolie can do? Look at this. Ha-ha! There could be light. Not just one light, but 2 lights. Awesome. 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 That works. And we have a composting toilet fan. It's exhausting. It's just exhausting. Woohoo! Wall number 1 in the bathroom is complete. So this is all futzy work. I cut a template there. We'll be able to use that later on. And then this wall, of course, comes in. So we had to measure that. We have a windowsill and then coming down there. And I don't know if you saw, Composting Toilet Fan is now sealed to the outside. We're all set on that front. And just like that, wall number 2 is done in the bathroom. Because that was an easier one because it was just a square, a rectangle. So we're going to put the half-inch board on the outside that'll support the sliding door. That'll be next. And we'll kind of keep on moving. Yay. And here we go. We have the outside wall of the bathroom done. And as you come around here, we've got the inside bedroom wall done. And it's definitely started to echo in here, more like a room. And once we get the ceiling in and all that stuff and all the soft goods, it won't echo as much, but it's feeling much more like a room in here. This piece on the outside wall here is a 1/2 inch. Is to stiffen all this up and provide some more backing for the sliding door that we're going to put on here. Details on that coming later. And if you look, you'll start to see wires. We'll start talking about that in a later video. So we have gotten a lot done, and we're continuing to get more done as time goes on. I want to thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time around on the Harmony Express.Skoolie. We're going to be starting to talk about wiring. You're probably going to see a little less in the framing department because we've got to get all of the wiring and stuff in, and a little bit more of the mechanical stuff in, so we can get that all taken care of, and we can continue on forward with the glamour shots and the good build parts. So stay tuned. Skoolie wiring is coming up next. Yeah, we've got lots of good stuff happening on that front, and lots of things happening in the background in between shots and all that stuff. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like it if you do like it. Certainly make comments and let us know what you think. We're really excited about the way this thing is progressing, and it's just so much fun sharing it. So anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time on the Harmony Express.Skoolie. Bye.